Hey guys, so I just wanted to do a little unboxing for you guys because I finally got my life together and got myself a new computer. So I got myself the MacBook Pro 13-inch, well 13.3 Retina computer. This computer, I'm not even gonna say how much it costs because I don't even want to think about it, but I'm so excited. So excited because I've been dying to have one of these and finally I got it. I got it with the touch bar, so I'll be able to go swipe. So I'm just gonna open it up. Let's see if we can do this without breaking it. Is the brightness too much? Let me see if we can like get away the brightness a little bit. There we go. So the first thing is the laptop. So I got it in silver because you know that it's a beautiful color. I'm so excited, look at this. Oh, it's beautiful. Honestly, 13-inch is kind of different from what I'm used to because I had the MacBook Air 11-inch one, so now I upgraded and look, it's turning on. So I'll look at this later. I just want to see the rest of the stuff that's in the box. So in the rest of the box we have little thing where you have the stickers and the manual. Then we got the little, I believe this is the what? The USB Thunderbolt 3. Where is it? Yeah, USB-C Thunderbolt 3. So this is what's gonna be charging my computer now. And then let me lift it up like this. Can you see? Okay, there we go. So this is where it was, and then now we have in here, which is the big cube. Damn, this is huge. This is bigger than the other one I had. And then I don't think they give me the long one though. I don't think you could take this off right now. So that's everything that's in the box. Now back to the computer. I really want to set it up and everything. Okay, so it's opened. It was actually just talking just now about the language, so this is so freaking satisfying. Oh my god, this thing is so beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna click English. I don't know if you guys want to see what I'm doing. Alright, so now we're clicking what part of the world that we live in. Have to click the Wi-Fi. I can't share it. Ugh, I gotta look for the Wi-Fi. Give me 1 second. Gotta look for my Wi-Fi password. Also, excuse the fact that I look like a mess. I just got home from school and work and a whole bunch of practices, so my hair looks crazy, and I literally just got out of my uniform to put on this so I can show you my new computer because I haven't done a video and I wanted to show you what I did. I spoiled myself also because I messed up my computer by spilling soda on it. Not gonna talk about it, but yeah, so I decided let's, you know, do an unboxing of my new MacBook Pro. I'll be back so I can finish setting this up because this is taking forever right now, and I'm gonna FaceTime my friend to tell her I got my new MacBook. So I'll be right back to show you how I got everything transferred and everything like that. Alright, so I'm back after like 5 million years later. I finally got this ready. So we're gonna turn up the brightness. We'll do updates later. And then this FaceTime thing just popped up. So this is what it looks like, and what I love too is, if I can get it, I can touch this and like this pops up. I have this turn on and off sound, raise up the sound. I have Siri. Hey Siri. Okay, that was my phone, but you get the gist. And then I got my little fingerprint there. Ah, I'm so excited. Okay, Strawberry, you need to get down because you're in my shot. This is Strawberry. Oh my god, I can't wait. The only thing I don't like is my stuff didn't come back. Like all of the stuff that I had on my other MacBook. But, oh no, it just came back. Ah! Alright, so I'm gonna set up my background. So my screensaver? Yeah, my screensaver. No, my desktop. So this is my desktop. This is like so amazing. I'm honestly so happy. Oh my god, so I'm gonna be playing around with this a lot. Can't wait to do video stuff on this. I think, let me download Final Cut Pro so that way I can edit a video. Because guess what? I've had a video with me for a while, but I haven't been able to edit it because I didn't have a computer for like a month. Love that. Final Cut Pro. So I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing. It was just basically me trying to play around with this stuff. I'm so excited about getting a new laptop, and I really got it because it's new and I really like the new Apple products. Also because I feel like this can help me edit better, and yeah, if it wasn't for you guys, I don't think I would be able to ever get this laptop on my own. And I thank you guys for that a lot, and I'm really happy with this. Like, I can't wait. I'm gonna put a cute case, a screen protector, gonna get a keyboard cover, and then I really think everybody should invest or buy the little camera cover. I bought one on Amazon for my other computer, but since it got messed up, I couldn't get it back. And it just, you could slide it over to like cover the camera when you're not using it, and I think that's like amazing. And then it doesn't even make your laptop look bulky. It's really thin, so like you could close your laptop and you can't even tell. I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Give it a like if you want me to do more unboxings. I feel like I haven't really done an unboxing since, when was the last time I did an unboxing? The last time I did an unboxing was probably when I first started my channel and I got new channel equipment. So yeah, if you really liked unboxing or if you like hauls, let me know. I'll do more of those. Comment down below and follow me on my social media. So that's about it. You know, my motto, be weird, be you, and own it. You always have to show who you really are. And I'll see you guys next time with another unboxing video or another video. Bye.